This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, February 27th. Royal Caribbean continues to adjust itineraries on more ships due to ongoing repairs at San Juan's Pier 3, which has been out of service since last April. Now, Icon of the Seas will skip San Juan on select May, June, and July sailings, replacing the stop with Port of Ponce, Puerto Rico, or St. Martin. Meanwhile, Symphony of the Seas will reroute April itineraries to Puerto Plata or Labadee. The Pier, which was damaged by an MSC cruise ship last year, is the only one in San Juan that can accommodate Royal Caribbean's larger ships. And two major cruise brands that collapsed under the company Genting during the pandemic are making a comeback. Resorts World Cruises announced it'll rebrand and resurrect Dream Cruises and Star Cruises over the next 3 months. Dream Cruises will continue sailing the Genting Dream from Singapore, while Star Cruises will launch 2 ships in Asia, the Star Navigator and Star Voyager. That'll be starting next month. Both of the Genting-owned lines went out of business following the pandemic. A lesson that bankruptcy isn't always the end. It's just a brief stop before setting sail again. And Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas has entered dry dock in Cadiz, Spain for a refurbishment under the Royal Amplified program. Upgrades will include new suites, dining venues, an expanded pool deck, and family-friendly areas. The ship will also feature the Ultimate Abyss slide and the Perfect Storm water slides, similar to those on other Oasis-class ships. After the refit, Allure will spend the summer sailing the Mediterranean before repositioning to Port Everglades in November. And cruise stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 1.6%, 24.12. Royal Caribbean up 2.7%, 244.11. Norwegian up 1.8%, 25.05. And Viking up 2%, 49.11. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. In this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Norwegian Escape, where you listen to your favorite podcasts. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Thursday.